Hello everybody, welcome to Big Basket Christmas Specials. I am Jayadra Vijay Selvan. I am the founder of CCC Bangalore. Today I am going to demonstrate one of the most delicious coconut cookies ever you will have. For this you will need a large bowl. So now I have kept a saucepan on the stove and we are going to add butter into the saucepan to melt the butter. The butter has to be just melted. We will now pour this butter into the bowl. And into the bowl we will add sugar. Give it a mix. So now to this we will add vanilla extract. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Into this we will add maida or all-purpose flour and we will add the baking powder. Give this a mix. Once this is mixed well, we will add our desiccated coconut. So before mixing this, we will have to add baking soda. So instead of adding baking soda directly, I am going to heat 2 tablespoons of water and add the water into the baking soda, let it react, and then we will add the mixture into the cookie batter. So you can use the same bowl in which butter was heated. We will add a little bit of water and our water is boiling. I am going to take about 2 tablespoons of water. You can see this frothing really well, and this mixture we will add it into our cookie batter and give this whole thing a mix. A wooden spatula would be sufficient. And now we have kept a baking tray lined with parchment paper. We are going to use our hands and make about 10 to 15 grams of balls and we will line it on the parchment paper. Make sure to give a little space between every cookie because the cookie is going to spread. We will now bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately about 15 to 17 minutes until they are golden in color. There you go with the coconut cookies. Please do try this recipe at home and do tag us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram using #BBChristmas. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas to all of you.